We're doing the slideshow thing that needs to be under 3 minutes, and it's, I don't know what today is. Monday. So, this is John, Asme, woo! Yay! Go!
Alright, well, this is a slide rule right here, and this will be a video on how to use it. The first thing we're going to do is introduce the lines we use. They're labeled on the left-hand side here. The first thing we're going to show is the C and D lines, and these are used for multiplication and division. First step, let's say we want to do 2 times 3. We put the end of the C line at the D's 2. We multiply the center line to the C's 3, and we read the D line where the center line hits it, and it shows 6. Division works the same way, but we start with the D line and move the slide to what number we're dividing it by. The C bar that you see just above the C is the inverse of the C line. It's just a factor of 10 off, so if we look here we can see 1 over 2, it's 0.5. A and B are the squares of C and D, and so we can use these to take squares and square roots. For instance, if we square 2, we can get 4. The one tricky part about these lines is that there's 2 halves to the A and B lines. There's the left half and the right half. The right half is used for when the squared number, as written in scientific notation, has an odd power of 10. Like, for instance, 1.44 times 10 to the 1, as shown here, is going to have a square root of about 3.8. Whereas if we use an even power of 10, we use the left side. And if I go to do the same thing, 1.44 times 10 to the power of 2, take the square root of that, we end up with 12. The last line I'm going to show is this K line, and it's used as a cube and cube root, and it works exactly the same way as A and B lines. Sorry, there's one more line. This L line is used for logarithms, and it's just the logarithm of the D line. That's it. Thanks.
Thank you.
Go Asme.
Videotape that?
Wait.